Hello friends, welcome back. So today we'll see one more interesting topic, which is timers. Timers in verticals, which is periodic and delayed actions they call. So it is kind of jobs. So schedulers. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends if you like my videos. Let's not waste our time. So if you go to the manual, if you see periodic and delayed actions, so then we'll be covering this up. So there are two types of actions. One is delayed actions. Let's say I wanted to perform some action after a certain period of time. Then we can go for set timer. So this is one time activity. So it will call only one time. Now you wanted periodic every 2 seconds or 5 seconds or 5 hours for or once in a week it has to be called, then you can go for periodic timers. So this both the methods are in Vertx object. So let us see that. Okay, how are we going to do? So I will have a bootstrap vertical to deploy. So I'll write a bootstrap vertical and then I'll write one. I have written a periodic vertical. This vertical name can be anything. Okay, here it has nothing now. So this bootstrap vertical to deploy this vertical is what the meaning of this vertical. This is we are seeing from the session one. So here, so now what do you want? So we can just copy paste that code also. Set timer. So this is delay. So I want to delay it for 1 second. And then this handler, in this handler I'll just print the message. So I am delayed by 1 sec. Right, this is the message I wanted to print. So let us run this what happens. So this running part we have seen. Again I'll tell, go to configurations or right click and run configurations. So here we need to give the launcher. So in the arguments we have to give the bootstrap vertical. So in the bootstrap vertical we have asked the bootstrap vertical to deploy the periodic vertical. So let us see the output now. What is the output? So I am delayed by 1 second. It is printed only once. So it's just a delayed action. So this is the delayed timer. So we'll see the other one, which is periodic. Vertex dot periodic. So this is again. So every 2 seconds, this time I'll do 2 seconds. It is in milliseconds, guys. So you can give milliseconds. If you want to do the 2000 milliseconds is 2 seconds. If you want to do hours or days or something, you need to multiply, right, with 60, 60, 60 like that. So this is my periodic vertical. So what it does, every 2 seconds, this whatever we have written inside this will be printing. So I am printing every 2 seconds. Every 2 seconds is what it does. Now let us run it again. The same process for running it. So this time, so it is printing only once, that delayed action. See this, every 2 seconds it is printing. It will be keep on printing until we stop that particular instance. So this is the use of both delayed timer and periodic timer. These are the timers in Vertx schedulers, kind of schedulers. So every 1 second or 2 seconds or days, whatever we want. Let's say we wanted to make it as periodic 1 hour. What do we need to do? 1 second into 60 seconds is 1 minute into 60 minutes is 1 hour. This is 1 hour. So 1 hour into 24 if you do 1 day. So every 1 day it'll run if you do like this. This is how we need to configure the uh, periodics. So I hope this is useful to you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Guys, all this source code I am putting into GitHub. So you can get the download link in the description. You can download this code, entire code, and then have it for your reference. Thank you guys.